Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is part 3 of our tandoori chicken platter and we'll be cooking Hariyali chicken for you guys today. For our recipes, I have a leg piece and a thigh piece of chicken. And here in a bowl I have half cup of coriander leaves and half cup of pudina leaves or mint leaves and ginger garlic paste with chilies. I've got about 5 cashew nuts which I've split in half, and then garam masala, curd, salt and cream. To start off with our marination, we'll add cashew nuts to our pudina and coriander leaves mixture, and then take about a spoon of ginger garlic paste, and then add about 2 green chilies. I'll also add about 4 spoons of curd, and then about a tablespoon of garam masala, a pinch of salt, and then I'll add about 2 spoons of cream, and that's it. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and turn this into a fine paste, and it should look something like this, and then add it to the chicken and let it marinate for about 2 hours. Finally, I'll take a grill pan and then add some ghee to it and cook the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side on a medium flame. And that's it guys, that's our Hariyali chicken, which tastes as fresh as it looks with a perfect amount of spice. If you haven't watched the first 2 parts, I'll leave the link in the description. Please go ahead and watch it. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel.